Parent question. As a dad who plays video games with your 9-year-old son, is it worth it if he is happy as a clam for 80% of the video game time and 20% is melting down?
With my son, who is PDA, I try and shoot for like a 95.5. But there's a couple other things I would keep in mind. One is, how is your son doing after the meltdown? Does he bounce back? Is it sort of, no big deal, 10 minutes later? How long is the meltdown lasting is another question. Is it lasting an hour or is it lasting 5 minutes? If it's throwing off the whole rest of your night and making him miserable, or he's starting to internalize it and feel bad about himself, that's not worth it, even if it's only 20% of the time, if it has those lingering effects. In my case, with my son, we play Mario Kart because I can basically adjust the settings to make it easy, and we typically play where I'm in the race too. And then one thing I can be sure to do every single time is lose and let him win.